Dear friends, very warm welcome. I am Dr. Ajit Kumar Jaiswal from Arts, Commerce and Science College, Nawapur, District Nandurbar. Friends, today I am going to present my research work on rare and endemic Spiropeals, ulvels and Schizomeridaceae from Dhule and Nandurbar district, Maharashtra. Abstract. During this study of systematic account of algae of Sakri and Nawapur Taluka, district Dhule and Nandurbar respectively, I collected three taxa belonging to three families, that is Spirophiliaceae, ulvels and Schizomeridaceae. Out of three taxa, Spirophilia solitariae variety Carespetia have been recorded first time from India. Very small attempt have been made to explore these three families from this region. These Spirophiliaceae, ulvels and Schizomeridaceae of this region have not been studied earlier. This is the first ever attempt to explore, enumerate and taxonomically evaluate these families from this area. Distribution of taxa in India has been discussed. The quantitative availability of species is also noted. Introduction. The good amount of literature is available on algal flora of this region, that is Barhate and Tarar in 1985, Jaiswal 2005, 2009, 2013, ABC 2014, 2014A, 2017, 2017A, B, C, D, E, F, G, Jaiswal and Pathak 2005, Jaiswal et al. 2011, Jaiswal et al. 2012. No information exists on Spirophiliaceae, ulvels and Schizomeridaceae of Sakri and Nawapur Taluka. Three taxa belonging to three families collected from different places. Out of three taxa, one is reported for the first time from India. During taxonomic evaluation of algae from this region, it is observed that all these three taxa are on the verge of extinct. A serious step should be taken for the conservation of algal wealth of this region. Otherwise, in short period of time, these species will be endemic for this region as well as Maharashtra. Geography of the area. The district of Dhule, formerly known as West Khandesh, lies in the upper Tapi basin in the northwest corner of Maharashtra, is now split into two separate districts, that is Dhule district and Nandurbar district from 1st July 1998. It, it is bounded on the west by Gujarat state, on the north by Madhya Pradesh, and on the east and south by Jalgaon and Nasik district respectively. The district is separated from Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh states by Satpuras and from the Deccan by the Satmahal hill range and arm of the Sahyadri mountains stretching out in eastern directions. One taluka from each district, that is Sakri taluka from Dhule district and Nawapur taluka from Nandurbar district, are chosen for the systematic account of algae. Material and methods. A total 320 collections were studied. The collections were made from December 2019 to January 2020 from 28 towns and villages. The sampling sites were selected very carefully so as to get maximum number of algal forms growing in the varied habitats. Another important aim of this method of selection is to correlate the species identification to the changes taking place in the habitats. Sampling was done from all possible places of collection like pools, pedals, tanks, ponds, lakes, talaus, dams, rainwater, wastewater passages, streamlets, rivers, moist soils, tree trunks, moist wall, from the body of submerged animals, etc. Field notebook is maintained in which color of algae, habitat, pH and temperature of water body were noted down on the spot. All collections were preserved in 4% commercial formalin. These preserved algae were later studied in detail. Camera lucida of these algae was drawn. Distribution of taxa in India has been discussed. Preparation of semi-permanent slides for algae. A drop of glycerin formalin mountain, that is 6 ml glycerin plus 10 ml of formalin 4%, 84 ml distilled water was taken on slide, to which a drop of concentrated preserved sample was added and was covered by a cover slip of suitable size. The specimens were identified with the help of available literature and standard research papers. Distribution of taxa in India has been discussed. The quantitative availability of species is also noted. These are the two maps of collection site, from one from Sakri Taluka and one from Nawapur Taluka. Taxonomic description of taxa: Spirophilia solarilia, variety Craspacita, filaments thinner than the species, 18 to 38 mu broad and 28 mu at the median region. Cell length on the average 85 to 770 mu, cross wall often with irregular growth. This taxa collected from floating in pond from Rangavali Dam, and collection was made on 23rd October 2019. The pH of water body was 8.0 while temperature 27.0 degrees centigrade. The quantitative availability range very rare, and the distribution of this taxa was not recorded previously from India, means this is a first record for India. Second taxa, Enteromorpha proliferera. The observed diameter of cells are 15 to 21 mu, and the alga is collected from submerged in stagnant water from Bhamer locality on 3rd February 2019. The pH of water body 8.0 while temperature 10.2 degrees Celsius. The quantitative abundance shows it is very rare. The taxa is distributed in Maharashtra and noted by Dixit in 1937 from Borivali, while Kamath in 1963 and 65 recorded it from Kolhapur. Kamath again in 1968 reported it from Alibag. The third taxa is Schizomeris lebeleni. The plant body up to 88 mu long and 30 mu broad. This is collected from free floating in well water from Nawapur site. It is collected on 20th June 2019. The pH of water body was 7.0 while temperature was 30.5 degrees Celsius, and quantitatively this is very rare form. This taxa was previously recorded by Kamath and Freitas in 1976 from Maharashtra from Nagpur, while Sheikh and Vaidya in 1972 it is recorded from Vallabh Vidyanagar from Gujarat, while Prasad and Srivastava in 1963 reported it from Bihar. These are the cameralistas sketches of all three Texas from different three families. Conclusion: three taxa belonging to three families collected from different places. Out of three taxa, one is reported for the first time from India. During taxonomic evaluation of algae from this region, it is observed that all these three taxa are on the verge of extinct. A serious step should be taken for the conservation of algal wealth of this region. Otherwise, in short period of time, these species will be endemic for this region as well as Maharashtra. Thank you for your listening. Thanks again.